Here it is, everybody. Next Level Hoops. This one, you want one. In your backyard, your sport court, or for your driveway. Check it out. You guys grab one today. We can ship them nationwide. This guy right here is going to go. You can put it 10 feet, regulation height, right up in the air, or adjustable right here with ease. You simply twist right here. This is down, and this is up. Comes with all instructions to go ahead and get this mounted. You can bolt it together with ease yourself. Like I said, comes with the instructions. We can ship them nationwide right to your front door. If you guys are looking for something, you call us up. You can order right online, and if you order it today, it will ship within 24 to 48 hours next business day. These are in stock, no waiting, immediate shipping. So you call us now, get you taken care of. Regulation height, regulation size. It comes with the netting. Everything you see here in the video is going to be included. Calls today, grab yours today. Next Level Hoops.